Are you searching for a program that delivers safe and rapid weight loss while instilling new lifestyle habits that ensure weight maintenance? Without changing mindset, all weight loss is temporary and any acquired health benefits will be lost. Change your mind and then your body will follow. If you are ready to transform your mind and body, join our team and follow our plan. Rapid success will be yours. There is no time like the present, so treat it like a gift and don't waste it. Push aside any limiting beliefs you may have, and let's get started today. Suppressing hunger with a shot or pill and simply eating less can have dire consequences. Instead, choose to improve your dietary lifestyle. Take the most important step, the first one, and schedule your complimentary metabolic health assessment with Ideal Plan today. Let's work together to regain your health. Our experienced wellness coach will deliver the ultimate in support and guidance for your transformation. Onboarding and through the first week of our plan is normally $379 all in, and now on special for only $199. What a small investment for your health. We've helped thousands of clients transform since 2012. Check out Shannon here, lost 113 pounds and reduced her body fat by 19%. Tatiana came to us to eliminate her pregnancy weight and did just that by shredding 30 pounds, 24 inches, and 10% body fat. Jake remained committed to change and lost 187 pounds with us in just 1 year. This was done with zero exercise, as weight loss is best handled with diet. Visit our website at idealplanweightloss.com to message us or simply call 469 606 1170.